All right, John the Apostle has been caught into heaven at the bidding of a voice that sounded like a trumpet. And from chapter 4 onward, he is going to view the unfolding events from heaven. We saw in verse 2 that there was a single throne, and upon that throne there was one who sat, and that is God. Verse 3, and he that sat was to look upon like a jasper and a sardine stone. Interesting, the first and the last precious stone that was built into the breastplate of the Levitical priest, as seen in Exodus 28. And there was a rainbow round about the throne, in sight like unto an emerald. So we have a rainbow which represents God's faithfulness. He is true and faithful to his word. And that is associated with the first and last precious stone in the Levitical priest's breastplate. I don't think that's a coincidence. As we see right here in chapter 4 and 5 is a transition. God is turning from the church on earth as his spokesman back to the nation of Israel. He's drawing them back to himself through this series of judgments upon the earth, since when Jesus returns to the earth, he will rule and reign through them. As Paul explains in Romans 9 through 11, the gifts and calling of God are without repentance. He called the nation of Israel to be his servants, to produce the Messiah. And in Genesis chapter 12, 15, 17, many other places, he promises them an everlasting possession, that is, the land, and many other promises, which he will fulfill. You don't need to allegorize the promises made to the nation of Israel.